Here's another Beebeecraft unboxing video brought to you here at my channel, Markets of Sunshine. Hi, my name is Marcia. So, didn't know if you are new to my channel or if you are returning. Welcome, and just wanted to introduce you to a company called Beebeecraft. The link will be in the description box below. And YouTube is doing a promotion with channels that have 100 subscribers or more. So I was able to take part in this, which I'm really excited about. So these are the items that I'm going to be making some fun projects with. So I'm just really excited, and you get to pick out what you want, so that's another plus with the promotion. So this is a box of those little bulb pens, and these are used quite a bit in junk journaling and crafts. So I had seen those so many times, and I only had a few in my stash, and I really needed a lot of them. So when I saw this and it was such a great price, I said, wow. So here in this little collection, you will get silver, green, white, dark blue, pink, yellow, red, light pink, like a teal blue, black, brass, and purple. So one set, so I will have plenty for all the future projects that I have planned with these. So of course you know what I'm going to probably use them for, but I have another way of using them as well. Next is this beautiful bag of assorted skeleton key shapes. If I can get the little topper open. So many fun styles are in this. Another excellent assortment for our junk journals and crafting. Let's see if I can find ones that aren't duplicated, what I've already shown you. Cute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different designs that I've come upon so far. I don't want to dump all of them out. Okay, is that another one or is that the same one? Okay, smaller heart. That makes 7. Yep, 7. And like maybe one more. Different styles in this bag. Really, really cute. Again, of excellent value. So I'll put those back in a minute. Now in here, a box of beads. And these are the spacer beads. So I am going to have a lot of fun using them, but look at all the pretty colors on here. So these will go with the assortment of things. So I will show you in the next video, because I'll have 2 videos with what I've made out of the products. So look for those coming up. And then last but not least, a bag of, I don't remember like 100 if I'm not mistaken. So you get the craft paper tags and the twine. This was an excellent deal as well. So you have to pop on over to Beebeecraft and sign up for their newsletter, and then you will get discounts just like other companies offer when you sign up for their newsletter. And if you have a YouTube channel that's craft DIY related and you want to have 100 subscribers or more, then use the link. It's not, I don't receive any, it's not an affiliate link, it's just a referral link. I don't receive anything for you joining the promotion. Oh, it looks like there's another one, maybe I missed. So when I get ready, I'll spread these all out. I don't want to do that right now with you, but I will spread them out and see if there were more than maybe there were 10. Seems like 9 would be an odd number, so maybe there's 10 different styles of teas. So if you are interested in watching the next 2 videos of what I'm going to actually make out of these, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss, and click the little bell and you'll get notified every time I do a new video. And if you would be so kind as to hit the like button and leave a comment, because that helps me get found in search. And as a new channel, you know how important that is. So thank you very much, and show you a little bit. That's the planter my husband made. It's a flower box, window box planter I love. Always wanted one of those. And we actually took an old piece of furniture. It's one of those tables that go behind your sofa, and it has a drawer in the front. So we cut a hole in the middle and he put tile on both ends. So if you want to see the process of that and have some furniture around that you're just not needing anymore, but you don't want to just throw it away, and it's the actual 2x4s that were actually glued together to make the table that we didn't do, but somebody else did. And you can see that on my other channel, Sunshine Homemaker, and I will link that in the description box below as well. And we have everything to do with homemaking, gardening, anything to do with home improvements. And if you want to go back through and watch my craft room makeover, you can do that as well. And that's a lot of fun. And then we have a boat raised bed garden video. So that is a huge, very popular. Let me say that way. So it has over 2,000 views. Wild, wild, wild. So anyway, you'll enjoy that. Just go take a look at that on my Sunshine Homemaker channel. And again, if you would like to help support my channel, just check out my 2 Etsy shops if you're in the market for some handmade gifts, junk journals, cash envelope system, or any vintage gifts, supplies, fabrics. You name it, you will find it, and a lot of rare and hard to find things that you find in my shop. Thank you very much for watching this. I really appreciate all of my subscribers, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.